Imagine this. You walked into your dream company's interview. You dressed perfectly, you prepared your resume. But boom, first round aptitude test. And you got stuck in the question number 3. Sounds scary, right? Don't worry. Today I am going to share the ultimate aptitude resources out there that will take you from I am confused to I am hired. Let's get started. Before jump into resources, let's understand why aptitude is important. Companies like Cognizant, TCS, Wipro, Accenture and many others use the aptitude test for the first elimination round. If you clear it, you move to technical and HR rounds. Building strong aptitude skills not only boost your chances but also increase your confidence on problem solving. So let's jump into the video. Start with the free resources, and the first one is indiabix.com, one of the most popular platform for aptitude. It covers topics like quantitative aptitude, verbal reasoning and logical reasoning. Practice with step-by-step solutions. The second one, Prep Insta. It is excellent for placement focused preparation. It offers company specific aptitude questions. Free blog has lot of aptitude sites. You can check it out there. The third one is Geeks by Geeks aptitude section. Not just for coding, they also have a detailed explanation of aptitude too. Covers puzzles, data interpretation and many more. Number 4, YouTube channels like Career Ride and Freshers World. These YouTube videos have short video explanation on how to solve each question in aptitude. It is also great for quick revision. Fifth one is Textbook app. Gives you real exam like feel like mock test. It is perfect for timing and speed practice. So before going to paid one, see this. Nearly 98% of people are not subscribed and watching my channel. So make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. If you can invest a little money, here are some paid resources that are totally worth for you. And the first one is Prep Insta Prime. It is a complete placement preparation from coding to aptitude. And the second one is Olive Board. It is better for detailed mock test with analytics. And the third one is R.S.Agarwal's Quantitative Aptitude book. This book is a classical reference of all aptitude topics. I will provide a link in the description. If you want to check it out, just go. So let us discuss how to practice effectively. Resources are great, but how you use them matters more. Here is my quick strategy. Step 1. Learn one topic at a time. Step 2. Solve 20 to 30 questions daily. Step 3. Time yourself. Speed matters. Step 4. Analyze your mistake and reattempt it. Step 5. Give at least 2 or 3 mock tests per week. Remember, aptitude is not about mugging formulas. It's all about thinking logically and solving faster. Even 30 minutes of consistent practice every day can make a huge difference. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video. See you in the next one. Bye.